Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the P1 smartphone for seniors and kids. The P1 smartphone comes unlocked and can be used with AT&T or T-mobile. The Google Play Store is also available to use to download more apps. It works with the Android operating system, which can use apps like Skype, WhatsApp, and Zoom. It has large buttons which make it simple to dial, a built-in loudspeaker, a T9 keyboard. It has a camera on the back, a built-in GPS, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. The P1 smartphone comes with a battery, a clip, a USB-A charging outlet, a micro USB charging cable, and a safety strap. To install the battery, you're going to want to push over, take off the battery cover. This is where you can put in your SD card and your AT&T or T-mobile SIM card. To put in the battery, you're going to line up the indicators, put that in first, push it down, then you're going to put the battery door on and then lock it into place. And then to turn it on, you are going to hold down the power button . The P1 smartphone has a smart dial function where you just hold this and it will auto dial the saved number you have.
One moment while we connect you with a customer service professional.
There's a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack right here for headphones. Right here in settings, there is an option to use the flashlight. It's right here. You have Bluetooth right there, contacts, messaging, pictures. You can use the family link to track people using the built-in GPS and much more. Be sure to check out the P1 smartphone on Amazon. Thanks for watching.